Hey, this is Hasibul Islam and I am going to show you how to use best WP Testimonial plugin or integrate WP Testimonial plugin in your WordPress website. This is the WP Testimonial plugin. You may see the outlook of these plugins. So let's get started how we integrate this plugin in your WordPress website. At first I am going to my WP admin dashboard. Here is my WP admin dashboard and press add new from plugin menu, and here is the search option. I will search using best WP testimonial here and press enter or something. Here is my best WP testimonial plugin and press just install now button. After installation, just press activate button. Oh nice, this is my plugin settings area, and here I can use some colors or some structure or something like color theme, hover color, display post, number of post, or autoplay yes or no, display navigation yes or no. These options, this is the color themes, and this is the color themes, this is the color themes you may see here, and number of post display here. All these things are available in this settings area. So I will press save changes button, or you can use or change the color theme from here. Press here and you may use any color from these options, or you may use any color code here. So this is the hover color, and you may this number of post, display number of post, you may increase or decrease post here 2 3 xyz something, or autoplay yes or no. If you press yes, your testimonial will autoplay it. Otherwise, if you use no, your testimonial will play after clicking this button. Finally, here's display navigations. Or this is the navigations. You may display it or hide it by using this yes or no button. So let's go how to input new slider or new testimonial content here. So I will press add new under testimonial button. You may see the new testimonial area in left menu. So I will press add new button, and here is the testimonial title. Here is the testimonial title. This is the title. Good job, nice work. This is the title. Here is the testimonial title. You may use your testimonial title here, and here is the testimonial body. This is the testimonial body. You may use this testimonial body content here. Finally, this is the name who provide this testimonial. John Doe is the example name, and company, who is company owner provide your testimonial. I will use Google. And rating, this is the very important area. Rating, how much rating provide you. Here is 5-star rating, here is 4 point something star rating. So you may use 5 or you may use 4.5. Any numeric number or floating number use in this area. After input these elements, you may use any featured image. Here is the featured image. This is the featured image. This is the featured image. You may use this featured image from here. Here you can use any featured image. I will use this featured image and set featured image. That's enough. You may press publish button, and your testimonial, new testimonial will publish here. Okay, nice. This is the last uses testimonial here. So thank you for using best WP testimonial